These Dubai chocolate bars inspired chocolates are so delicious. You really have to try them. The keto chocolates are filled with a coconut filling, and the nut-free white chocolates are filled with speculoos spread. Melt dark chocolate and coconut oil and roast coconuts with some butter. Freeze your first layer of dark chocolate. Add pistachios and sesame seeds to the grated coconut. Cool the coconut filling and use this as a second layer. Stay off the sides and cool this second layer for a few minutes in the freezer. At the third layer of dark chocolate, you will see that it all fills up the filling perfectly. Freeze again for a few minutes and add some gold paint and enjoy. These nut-free white chocolates are so delicious you will not even notice that there are no nuts in it. Freeze your first layer of white chocolate and add some crunchy sprinkles to the speculoos spread. Stay off the sides and freeze this second layer, and after a few minutes add your third layer of liquid white chocolate and freeze again for a few minutes. Add some gold paint and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.